Starting on the axle again. I've been cleaning it for a while. It's coming out pretty good. It's got some more rust I gotta work on and get cleaned up more, but it's starting to get there. I was using the compressor, but it's hot out here today, so I gotta let it sit and cool down. I picked up these at AutoZone. They were $22 for two of them, and then I picked up a package of these from Amazon. They were $16 for 32 of them, so they seem to work pretty good. So I'll have to just keep giving it some more time. I gotta just let the compressor cool down for a little bit. Looking pretty good. Just gotta do a little more. It's pretty much clean. Just gotta do a little more sanding and cleaning, and it should be good. Here's what it looks like after cleaning it all up. I got most of the rust off, so got a little more ways to go. Soaking a little bit. I got some little bit of grease still stuck on there that doesn't want to come off, but a little more, and I got some other things to work in these areas in here. Try to get it all cleaned up, and then I can start working on the rest of it. Trying to get all the get it all finished up today, so I could get a decent primer for now and then decide what I'm going to do with it. Alright, so I'll strip down. I guess gotta primer it off. That's enough. There's some little spots, but it's good enough. I ain't doing anymore. Everything looks good. Should look good. I'll repaint it. It's all in primer now. So I just got to do some pinion seal and bearings, axle bearings, and repaint all the backing plates and put it back together. But for now, it is good enough. It's cleaned up pretty good. I just got to paint it, but I want to do the other work to it first, so then I'll paint it.